Yo! Look at homie go.
Oh my Lord.
You really?
No, that's intense.
Okay, is the thing moving now? Do you see the time moving?
Yeah, we're
okay.
Is it red?
Is it red? All right, take 2 for this. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that last episode about the new products that we put on before Easter Jeep Safari. And if you haven't seen it, you guys go back, check it out. Added some great new products. Shout out to Savvy Offroad and Warren Industries, and of course RPM Steering. You guys hooked me up, made sure that I was ready to go for Easter Jeep Safari. This is like one of the coolest spots that you can go to see some really cool rigs, see some great trails, hit the trails, and then of course catch up with everybody and be in some like beautiful scenery. So I'm really excited about all of this, and just want to say like a big shout out to BFGoodrich Tires for inviting us along. And BFG has really supported a lot of what I've done since the beginning, since 2018. I've always had some KM3s. I started out with the 35s when you couldn't even get them. And now I'm obviously, if you guys have seen throughout the years, on 37s. And like I said, BFG invited us out. And when I say us, not only me, but also Drew, so that's awesome. So what we're doing is, well, what I'm doing is I got to drive to the airport, pick him up. He's supposed to land at 2. I'm actually probably going to get there now at 2:45, so he might be waiting for me for a little bit. But I did leave at 5:30 this morning. I mean, I should have probably left earlier, but here we are. So I'm excited. This is going to be a great week. I didn't get to go to EJS last year, but this year definitely look forward to it. We've got some cool things going on. Hitting up Shafer Canyon, which I'm really excited. Going to Grandpa's Garage. So if you've never been to Grandpa's Garage, I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes because it's a really iconic spot, especially if you're a person who's into off-roading, wheeling, you have a Jeep. Everybody knows about Grandpa's Garage, so that's really cool. And then we're gonna see some really cool like Jeep concepts. I think I'm speechless here. Like I can't even talk, but I'm speechless. I'm excited. Obviously driving, you guys can see that. Don't worry, I've got my eyes on the road. This is here. I've been playing around with this new Osmo Pocket 3 that kind of like follows my face. So I'm really excited. We're gonna have a great time. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about what EJS is all about. So once again, big shout out to BFGoodrich Tires. Here we go, day 1. See you guys in a little bit. All right, so I just made it to the airport. Look at who I found.
Come check out baggage. This is cold. That's fine. A little bit of that. Not in here.
It's not in here?
It's not.
Where is it?
It's just a steel ramp with the baggage claim. And then they come and open the gate and dump your bags out. And you get
I love it. So excited you're here.
Oh, they got a big security measures here.
Oh, I see your luggage. It's right there. Alright guys, so we are just about to go to dinner and meet everybody from BFG, but I wanted to do a little fit check. So we've got the white tee, of course, a red belt, the white Adidas, but check out my vintage little jacket. So cute. I'm ready for dinner. All right, everybody, good morning. We are back. What are we doing today?
Getting petrol.
Getting petrol. We are at Maverick. America's, oh no, it's Adventures.
Adventure.
I always say it wrong. It's Adventures first stop. Kicking things off here, day 2 for us. I shouldn't get ran over.
Look for cars, Where's it going?
Okay, we don't know what's happening. But we are kicking things off here with the BFG crew. Little fit check. We got the OG. Pretty excited about that. So we are making our way, right babe?
Yep.
Not gonna lie, every time I come here, these are always 2 for $7, and I always pick them up. So we're gonna pick this up right here. Are we getting burritos too?
What?
Do you want a burrito?
Of course.
Okay, and then we gotta get some coffee. What kind of burrito do you want?
Chorizo.
Chorizo? I don't know if they have a chorizo. Yeah, they do.
That's
Perfect.
un-American.
Well, get your burrito for me. It's on the end. Do you want to just split one?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
It's a small baby.
It's a small baby. Let me see this thing. Small baby. Small baby. All right. So we're just getting things ready. We're going to meet the rest of the crew. Wait, can we really do a cool fit check? You hold this. And,
Yours? Oh.
yeah. Fit check of the day. I like it. Red belt. BFG vintage. Oh, I thought somebody was behind me. I was going to say that was really embarrassing. Got my beef jerky, and I'm ready to go, guys. See you soon.
How come when I was going to wear a black and red hat and black and red shoes and a red shirt, you said I matched too much?
I don't know. Give me this back.
Whatever, dog.
Whatever, dog. All right, you done with your coffee?
Yeah.
Ready to do this?
Breakfast of champions right here.
Breakfast of champions.
I can do anything in Moab with this.
If you can do anything in Moab, you do breakfast of champions?
No. I can do anything after my breakfast of champions.
Okay. What are you looking for?
The lids. Oh, here they are. Right next to the creamer.
The ones that say lids here?
Lids.
All right, see you guys
It's
soon.
like a hat store from the 90s.
Today, we are going to be doing Shafer Canyon. I'm really excited. I've never done Shafer Canyon. Babe, have you ever done Shafer Canyon?
I mean, what's the trail rating?
Easy, I think.
Then no.
That's rude. Oh my goodness. I'm glad this has the face tracking on me and not you.
What?
It's not funny.
It's hilarious.
It's not funny, guys. Anyways, we are doing Shafer Canyon today. Come here, babe.
What?
You can be in it with me. And
All right, hold on.
So anyways, so we are if I do this, it'll get closer to it. So we are doing Shafer Canyon today, like I said. I'm super excited. It is a pretty easy trail, but there are some beautiful, epic views, which I'm excited to do that. So we're gonna go with the rest of the BFG crew out here and see you guys in just a little bit. Hey guys, so we just got to the spot to meet everybody up, but I do want to say a big shout out to Joe and Pat over at the BFG Garage for the third year. Can you guys see that? Third year in a row. Well, minus last year since I wasn't here last year, but for 3 times in a row, I have been the very first person at the garage. So thank you guys so much. Like we had talked about in the last episode, I installed the bumper, we installed the winch, but we are still waiting to put the rope through the fair lead and the Factor 55 Ultra hook that you guys see right here. So did that this morning just in case, you never know. So you just always want to be prepared, but super excited. So thanks guys, you guys are the best. Drew right now has the deflator kit right over there. For me, I'm gonna use a rock. Get myself started over here.
Oh, did you need me to move?
No,
Sorry.
I don't need you to move, Robbie. I don't even know how this thing works.
See something cool?
Yeah. I know that part. I know that part.
Look, now you're gonna get so many views because I know it.
Thanks, Robbie.
We need both hands for this dirt road.
No, it's not that. I have precious cargo back here. Look at Wade.
About me.
He's precious cargo.
I'll take care of myself.
See, look at how neat that is. It's private property.
Don't even think about it.
Okay, see, this is where it is. And this is where you need the 2 hands.
Don't bullshit a bullshitter.
I hope that guy doesn't fall out.
Over half of them's in the Jeep.
No, he's sitting on top.
He's not sitting on top, he's standing on the seat.
Are you sure?
And I think he's wedged in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think he's pretty well wedged in.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, there is a roll bar there. So.
For him to roll over and out,
He'll feel it.
he'll feel it. We going the wrong direction?
Look at homie go.
He is good.
That is awesome.
How many times do you think he's backed that road up?
Probably 67.
Probably 2 more.
Plus 2 more. I'm not sure. He probably could do it in his sleep. Oh, we got oncoming traffic.
Jeep.
Jeep, hi Jeep wave. Look at how cute they are. Oh, I love the cows. Hi friends. Hey, have a good day. So we finally made it. The group, we are here. And you guys, I am afraid of heights, so I don't even know why I'm doing this, but here's the view for you guys.
What river's that?
Stop, you know what river it is. Now we are entering Canyonlands National Park. No guns, no dog, no fire, no drones, and no ATVs.
We're like, no fun.
All right, so we just got out of the canyon. Luckily, Drew was filming all of that for me because I didn't want to drive off the cliff, but here we are. I don't even know why. Will you hold my hand?
What? So if you go, I go?
No, I don't want that to happen, but this is kind of where we just came up from. Here's the road. Super, super cool. And there's Robbie. Robbie said if I put him on this YouTube, I might get some subscribers.
No, views.
Oh, views. What's the views? I bet you if I put Dembry on there,
Well, then you'd get subscribers and views.
but yeah, because she's cute.
I know. I know that.
I know that, so.
He invested in that.
He invested in it.
Look at Drew.
I know, look at,
Look at your views.
Yeah, this is where 98 of the subscribers came from.
That makes sense.
It's his face.
really?
Makes sense.
Not
You're
just,
the man.
I got a face for TV, not just radio.
It's okay. I actually got to see the 33s in real life. Oh, wait, is it still there? Oh, it's still right there. Hold on.
Did you spray paint? Did you spray paint your shocks?
There it is.
No, those. I
Love it.
don't know what the hell happened there.
So my hands were so sweaty, I had to wipe them on my legs.
Okay.
Because I couldn't even hold the steering wheel any longer.
Seriously?
Seriously, I am not kidding you. Look up, look up. I couldn't look down. And I'm like, eyes focus. I like intense. Like I'm like, ooh. And they're like, I'm so glad you're driving and not me.
Really?
No, this is.
As somebody who snow wheels and...
No.
There's no cliffs in
No,
Ottawa.
Oh, yeah, there's no
I'm not
cliffs.
scared of heights. It's just that sudden abrupt stop at the bottom.
Yeah, it's not the fall that's going to kill you. It's
Oh
the
my
sudden
God,
stop
no.
at the bottom.
Yeah. I'm like, is this over yet? Is this over?
Did you go look at the edge yet?
No.
Do you want to?
No.
We can
She's
do
a-
it together. Hold hands. Let's hold hands. Let's go over here and look at the edge
Don't look
together.
through the camera, look down.
Oh yeah, don't look through the camera though. Okay, really? Oh no.
Oh my.
Okay, you
God.
ready? Do you want to crawl to be closer?
No.
Are you sure?
No, I'm good. Oh my lord.
You re-
No, that's intense. That is.
Your hands are sweaty. Your
They
hands are
I
super
told you,
sweaty
my
right now.
hands are so sweaty.
Robbie, you're not even nervous?
What's there to be
I have
nervous
never seen.
If you hit the
heights
100,
like
yeah,
this.
it's pretty intense.
I know it's all
I don't
messed
know how
up.
to work it. I have one, but I don't know how to work it.
It got messed up.
Let me show you a little trick secret.
No,
She's dusty.
she's dusty. All right, Parker. I'd like your honest reaction now since you've done a little bit of Jeep wheeling.
I will give you my honest reaction, and it is this
Active
right
air?
here. Active Air is insane, especially with these KO3s. I mean, I swear we didn't ever rev the engine once. Like, we made it up every single hill, every single rock, anything and everything. This Bronco is made for it. Don't get me wrong, the Jeeps are cool. I've just never driven one before, but we handled it well. How about you?
Maybe I'll let you switch.
Oh, you'll let me do that?
Maybe, you never know.
You just want to drive my car. That's what it is.
You want me to teach you a thing? I know this is
Yes.
because I'm a little older.
Teach me.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Oh, sick. See, I don't know how these things work. I've never used it.
It comes with age.
So I can just press this button.
Three times.
Yo! So this is your daily vlog camera?
Yeah.
Well, what's up, vlog? Subscribe to Tiffany right now.
T-Stone approved.
T-Stone approved.
There you
Let's
go.
Love it.
All right. We are here for lunch. We have wrap, ham, or turkey, and you say wrap is mystery. All right, let's go with this. We're gonna mystery wrap this.
Mystery wrap.
Mystery wrap. All right, guys, so let's see what's in the wrap. You guys, the wrap had fried chicken in it. Mystery fried chicken. I think Joe's gonna hate me. I'm always the first person at the BFG garage, like I talked about. We're back again, trying to make things happen. I brought my own fluids though.
It's not like we run the same fluid.
He's not kidding. AMSOIL, shout out to you guys for all of the fluids. I did bring my own though. This is what I use right here. Oh, that one's been open and I touched it. Wow.
Those bolts were loose, by the way.
Oh, we know. Joe wanted to take Drew and I out for dinner, and instead he gets. Is that broken? I wish you could smell that.
You don't like that smell?
Anyone that off-roads knows that smell.
Okay, seriously, Joe, if you could describe that smell, how would you describe it?
Death.
Death? Death?
And rotten eggs.
Ew.
Like burning baby vomit.
Really?
No, I think like a dog having parvo.
Really?
Like,
Gross.
I don't know, after about 300, 400 diffs, you just kind of get used to the smell.
It smells like burnt grass.
What? That's not a bad smell.
Yeah, that's a good smell.
I'd rather smell burnt grass than that.
When was the last time you smelled burnt grass?
When I lived in Michigan.
Parvo.
Parvo.
So what, 8 years ago?
It'll be 3 in July.
Didn't you go to Detroit or something?
Yeah, Metro Detroit. That's why we had to desalt and take out every rusty product. And when I say we, I still mean Drew. He's a keeper.
There's video evidence of you saying knobby.
Nubby.
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 Also, snap ring pliers are pinchers.
Okay.
And then nuts are bolt backs. Like wrenches, I either say the clicky side or the crab claw side. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, I did, which is sad.
Yeah, see? Are we good in there?
Yeah, looking good so far.
Okay, cool. I didn't break things?
Can you see the sensor?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
But the question is how are we getting it on?
What do you mean?
That sounds personal.
Yeah, it's very personal.
I broke it again. Sensor. It's because I don't do maintenance on my vehicles. So little.
One-wheel burnout.
I don't do maintenance on my vehicles. Don't listen to Drew. And yes, I like to do burnouts. Not even a proper burnout. Was there smoke?
Off of one side.
Was there smoke?
Was the locker lost?
No. You know, you guys are asking me a lot of questions.
One tire fire. It's out there peg-legging around.
It looked cute though.
What?
It looked cute when I did it. How do you know?
I know what a one tire fire looks like.
Don't let him fool you, you guys. He does it as well. All right, so yes, I probably shouldn't do burnouts with a 3.6, even though it's geared to 513. And I probably should put it in manual, drop it into first gear. Yeah, I did a lot of things wrong, okay? But I'll come back to do one. Full send. Full send. But I had really good video of it, and now Joe has to fix my sensor. Only the best. Around us. Perfect. Joe, you're the best. Around.
Around here, yes.
Around here, yes. And around town. And in Colorado.
And then you have to turn it off.
So we're all done, Joe?
For now, yes.
I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
Thank you so much. All right, guys, we are back. So no more burnouts, no more things, no more damaging it. So we're good to go. Thumbs up.